Hi, class 11. Let's continue our class. So, physics class. So far, no one has submitted the work. Anyway, let's continue our syllabus. Okay. So far, we done addition, subtraction, isn't it? So now today we'll do resolution. Okay, resolution of vectors. So first understand the concept first. Okay. So if I have a particles over here, some object, and if I apply force like this, let us say vector A. Okay, so I'm pulling this side, isn't it? So at that time it will move in x direction or and as well as y direction, isn't it? हेर त मजाले यता तान्दैछ भने के छ x पनि उँभो जाँदैछ, सरी y उँभो जाँदैछ, x यता जान्छ. This is what the resolution. Okay, and this along x axis we will have ax and along y axis we have ay. Okay, so this force is divided into two part and that is called resolution. So if I have a force F, then uh, force F, then it will divide it into two components called resolution. Okay, two components called Fx plus Fy. Okay, so from here we got this one, isn't it? So if I take this as theta, then what else? So draw this one. So this is your ax cos, isn't it? Yes or no? Theta, with theta take it, and this as you know that this will become ay equals to how much? A sin theta. Ax equals to how much? A cos theta, isn't it? You understood this much, isn't it? So we know that vector A equals to how much? A square plus b square plus 2a into b cos theta, isn't it? Yes or no? Yes. So if I take this, then I'll get this one, isn't it? So ax by, isn't it? Ax by. So if I take modulus of this, then I'll get this equals to a root over, isn't it? Ax square plus by square plus 2e x by cos theta, isn't it? So if theta equals to 90 degree, then what else? If theta equals to 90 degree, then this would be how much? A equals to how much? Root over a x square plus by square. Clear? If theta equals to 90 degree, write down theta equals to 90 degree. Understood? Right. Then question may come like this: find the components. Okay, so so write down question. Okay, let's try this one. See, if I have this type of one object, okay, and I have a string like this, and here we have tension T1, and also here I have a string, isn't it? And this is your tension T2. So question may come like this: find the component of T1 and T2 if T1 equals to 5 Newton, T2 equals to, let us say, 10 Newton. Okay, and it is also given that this angle equals to 37 and this angle equals to 53 degree. So find the component of T1 and T2 if this along X and Y axis. Is also question. Okay, so at that time what you should do, this is your X, make X, this is your X, and this is your Y, isn't it? Clear? So also you know that, so T1 T2 T1 tension equals to how much? T1 equals to 5 Newton, T2 equals to 10 Newton. Okay, it is given in your question. So see this 37 and 53, the value of these two we don't know, isn't it? But we know that component of T1, isn't it? One is your T1 cos theta, another is your T1 sin theta, isn't it? So let's find component of T1. T1 equals to this component, X component, T1 cos theta, isn't it? So equals to T1 cos 37 degree, isn't it? Yes or no? So now remember this one, तिमीले class 10 मा गरेको थियौ कि थिएन? Okay, this one 3 4 5. Okay, trigonometry value छ नि यो 37 र 53 को. Okay, तर यो this is popular. Okay, सजिलो पनि छ यो. Okay, so this is your 37 degree. Okay, so cos 37, cos means P by B perpendicular by how much? Cos theta equals to P by H or B by H. B by H, isn't it? B by H. So यहाँबाट भ्यालु पाएछ. ओके, त्यो ट्रिगोनोमेट्री टेबलमा खोजि बस्नु पर्दैन. ओके, सो B कति छ? 4. सो T1 5 into B कति छ? 4 by 5 equals to how much? 5 cancel. So 4 Newton, isn't it? Component. Clear? अर्को हेर, T1 अर्को component T1 sin theta हुन्छ कि हुँदैन? T1 sin theta. So T1 is your 5 sin theta हेर, P by H, isn't it? So 3 by 5. So if I cut this two, I'll get how much? 3 by 5 equals to how much? 3 Newton, isn't it? So these are the component of X and Y. Clear? For T1. Next T2. T2 को गर्न सक्छ? So 53 को लागि भनेर राख्नु. 53 को लागि के हुन्छ? यो चेन्ज हुन्छ. ओके, ट्रिगोनोमेट्री टेबल हेर्नु पर्दैन. ओके, 53 को लागि यहाँ 4 लेख, 3 5. ओके, दिस इज योर 53. सो cos 10 सबै पाउँछ. ओके, तिमीले सी यो छ नि, यो 37 र 53 को त्यो भ्यालुहरु छ नि, ट्रिगोनोमेट्री टेबलमा थिएन. ओके, सो 10 मा कस्तो पर्यो? ओके, देन यु विल अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड. ओके, राइट. So now we'll start next topic, that is your unit vector. Understood? T2 निकाल्दा के गर्छ नि? अब T2 को पनि दुईटा हुन्छ, एउटा T1 cos T2 sin theta हुन्छ, isn't it? So हेर 10 न्यूटन छ कि छैन? T2 equals to 10 न्यूटन. So T2 sin theta. So T2 sin 53 degree, isn't it? So sin 53 degree, P by H, isn't it? So T2 is your 10 into P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So 4 by 5. So कति भयो? 2 4s are 8, isn't it? 8 Newton. Likewise T2 cos theta, cos चाहिँ B by H, isn't it? So T2 10 cos 53 b by h 3 by 5. So 2 3s are 6 Newton. So these are the component, x component and y component. Clear? Hope you understood. Next we'll start unit vector. Okay, next we'll start unit vector. Bujhena bhane we'll see again. Okay, so next write down unit vectors. Unit vector, unit vector. So unit vector which whose magnitude equals to 1. So okay, and direction is there, isn't it? Direction. So unit vector is nothing but with magnitude 1. Okay, and see, if I have vector A, and if I want to find this vector A can written as magnitude into unit vector. Okay, so magnitude is your A and unit vector is written as A cap. Okay, clear? So कति हुन्छ unit vector हेर यहाँबाट, A cap equals to, A cap is called as unit vector. Okay, so A cap equals to how much? Vector A divided by mode of A, isn't it? Mode of vector A. Okay, so this is your unit vector. Now they may ask like find questions, find unit vector along a vector A equals to like I cap plus j cap. Okay, so अहिले म भन्छु यो I cap j cap भनेको के हो. Okay, so this so A cap equals to how much? The vector A divided by magnitude of A. So vector A how much? I cap plus j cap, isn't it? So next mode, you know, isn't it? Mode, how to find? So 1 is there, so 1 square plus 1 square equals to how much? I cap plus j cap. Okay, divided by root 1 plus 1 2. So this I cap divided by root 2 plus j cap divided by root 2. So this is the unit vector of this particular vector. Okay, right? So now next comes orthogonal. Okay, orthogonal, you need to study more. Okay, orthogonal. So orthogonal vector. Orthogonal vector is unit vector. Okay, which is perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular to each other. So orthogonal vector, see, this is your अब त्यो I cap j cap कसरी आयो भने नि I cap के हो? Unit vector whose length is unit 1. Okay, and this is your x direction. X direction को unit vector लाई के गर्छ? I cap. Okay, clear? फेरि y direction, this is your y direction. Then the unit vector whose magnitude is 1 and direction y is your j cap. Okay, and k is your unit vector direction z direction. Okay, so k cap. Clear? So this is your orthogonal. Orthogonal means perpendicular to each other. याद राख्नु, perpendicular हुन्छ सबै. Clear? So this is your orthogonal vectors. Okay, so to write any vector we need this direction and magnitude, isn't it? Yes or no? So let us say this is a vector. If I want to write this vector, so I need magnitude into unit vector. okay. So we have Cartesian, okay. So from this orthogonal we have Cartesian vector, okay. So let us say a I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. So x y z direction, isn't it? Yes or no? Orthogonal, and this is called Cartesian form of vector. Vector b equals to 2 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. If you want to add this, just add, okay. कसरी add गर्नु k. So k plus k 2k, isn't it? त्यसरी नै 2 plus 1 3 j cap, त्यसरी नै plus 3 I cap, okay. So this is your a plus b Cartesian form, okay. Cartesian form of vector you can add it like this, okay. अब 3 छ भने के गर्नु आई गर्नु जे गर्नु, ओके. सो तिमीहरू एड गर क्वेशन होमवर्क मजाले लेखेर गर्नु ल. 1 vector a you have I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Minus means other direction. This is the direction, isn't it? X y z, isn't it? So plus x minus x, y minus y, isn't it? Z minus z, okay. So minus k means this direction, okay. So b you have 2I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap, okay. Add this to find sum, okay. Find a plus b. बिस्तारै गरौँ, okay. त्यस्तै छ. सेकेन्ड क्वेशन राइट डाउन. Second question, write down vector a equals to 0I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. So b is your vector b equals to 2j cap plus k cap. यो दुईटा होमवर्क तिम्रो, ओके. मजाले कपी गर, then add them, okay. So see you soon, okay. We so today's class we done what we done orthogonal vector Cartesian form, okay. And what we have done unit vectors, and what was that, this solution of vector, two components, okay, components of vectors, okay. Clear? So this much for today's. Thank you class.